Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Calvin's Kitchen. Today we're making spam musubi. To begin, we need to make some white rice. In an oven-safe pot, I'm adding in 3 cups of water. Set the water to medium-high and bring to a simmer. Then rinse through cold water 3 cups of white rice. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Add in the rinsed rice to the water and season with a pinch of kosher salt. Give that a quick stir, then put the lid on and transfer into the center of your 375 degree oven for 25 minutes. And after 25 minutes, you would have perfectly cooked white rice. Now in a small mixing bowl, add in 1/4 cup of light soy sauce, followed by 1 tablespoon of mirin, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Give that a quick mix to dissolve the sugar in the soy sauce. Once combined, set it aside. Then we need 4 sheets of nori. Stack them up and cut them into thirds. We're using 1 can of spam. Get the spam out the can and cut into 8 equal slices. Now set a skillet over medium-high heat and cover with a little bit of cooking spray. Then we're going to fry up the spam slices until golden brown on each side. Once the spam slices are nicely golden brown, add in the soy sauce mixture. As the soy sauce reduces, it will turn into a beautiful glaze about a minute or so. As the sauce is reducing, flip the slices so they get evenly coated. Once the sauce has thickened and turned into a beautiful glaze, transfer onto a plate. To shape the musubi, we are using a musubi mold. Place the mold on top of a piece of nori. Then place the white rice in. Press it down with the included press so the rice is nicely molded and firmly packed. Place a slice of spam on the rice, and to ensure that the spam musubi stays close, get the tip of your finger wet and add it to the nori. Then close it, just like so. Repeat the same steps with the rest of the slices. And now you are ready to enjoy this delicious spam musubi. There you guys have it, spam musubi. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye!